In this video, I'll show you how to make a Vercel deployment public. Start by opening your browser and heading to vercel.com/dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the Team Switcher dropdown. Select your team from there. You should now see your list of projects in the main dashboard area. Click on the project you want to make public. The project overview page will open, showing your deployment, history, and settings. In the sidebar on the left, click on Settings. The Settings page will load with all your configuration options. Once you're in Settings, look in the sidebar for Deployment Protection and click on it. The Deployment Protection configuration page will appear. On this page, you'll see the Vercel authentication section. This is the setting that controls whether people need to log into Vercel to access your deployments. Set it to disabled. The control might be a toggle or a drop-down, but change it so it says disabled. Once you've disabled it, the setting should save automatically. If you see a save button at the bottom of the section, click that to confirm. You'll know it worked because all existing deployments are now unprotected and publicly accessible. Your deployment is now public. Both your preview URLs and production deployment URLs are accessible to anyone with the link, no Vercel login required. This applies to all existing deployments in the project. If you ever need to make your deployments private again, return to the same deployment protection settings and re-enable Vercel authentication. It'll lock everything down immediately.